Guys, Brighter Times here, and welcome back to the channel. First things first, guys, we do have some merchandise that is live. It is 25 bucks a piece. I'll put some pictures up here. We got every size from small to double XL if you want to get something. But I want to address why I haven't posted in about 30 days. So you guys know that I was down in South Carolina. That trip was about 2 weeks, and you know, there's really nothing that goes on down there that's car related that I really even need to post about or would want you guys to even see. So, you know, if I wouldn't want to watch it myself, I'm not going to post it on my channel. But I don't know if you guys can tell, it's pretty cold and looks like I got some snowflakes on me. So this is the other reason why I have not posted. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but this is like, I don't know, 18 inches of snow that's on the ground. So the GoPro cut off again because it's freaking cold outside. Hopefully my battery's not screwed up or anything, but we got some errands to run today. We're gonna go get the merchandise, take the car out. We're gonna see how bad it is in the snow. I mean, I already know it's freaking terrible in the snow, but we're gonna take the car out. We gotta deliver some merchandise to my buddy down in Florida. So we're gonna head over to the post office and get that shipped out. But yeah, I mean, guys, are you freaking kidding me? Like, alrighty, so let me show you guys the merch here. Don't mind my Christmas themed bed sheets here. This is in our spare room that's kind of just, you know, became the inventory room. But so this is the, let me show you this one here. So this is the black bottle logo. So here you obviously got a little hot sauce bottle, YouTube logo, my car, nice attention to detail, says Stang sauce right across the top there. I really like this one, and this, I thought this was going to be my favorite, but actually when I seen them both in person, I actually really like this Stang sauce one a little bit more. Obviously YouTube logo again, Stang sauce, my car, and there's even stuff like you can see my little stickers and then my Instagram handle right there, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, these are $25 a piece. We've got small, medium, large, extra large, double extra large. So, you know, if there's a size that you wear, there's a good chance it's here. Super nice material on the shirts here. They're really soft. So yeah, if you guys want some, 25 bucks, Venmo, PayPal, debit or credit, or, you know, if you're in my area, you can hit me up with some cash. And we'll get a deal made. But yeah, let's go over to the post office. I got to ship these out to my buddy. Shout out Brian. We're going to get these shipped out to you. He's down in Florida, enjoying the nice weather, not any snow. All right, so my gloves, fire monster here, merch out in the flesh. I just want you guys to see how freaking terrible this is, dude. Gosh, so bad. Get this out of the way. All right. Freaking snow over there. I've only drove it like twice in the snow this year. I really only drive it when I have to. Get this out of the way. What is that? Oh, some plastic dip peeling. Sounds about right. Oh, okay. Hear what it sounds like when it's nice and cold. Sounds pretty good. All right, let's get it out here. The brakes might squeal a little bit. They squeal super bad when it's cold. Whew, God, that is terrible. Okay, so I'll show you guys in a quick sec here. I gotta get out real fast. So I went ahead and put my here, I'll just pop the trunk and show you guys. It'll probably be easier. I went ahead and put my drag radials back here along with 90 pounds of weight to try to add some weight for the back because my back tires are absolutely terrible. So close up the garage here and go on our little snow adventure. Brian, if you're watching this, bro, this is what you're missing. Let's go play in the snow here. Dude, I mean, seriously, my car, like, no shit, is so bad in the snow. And it's not even just the car itself, it's because my tires are just absolutely horrible. So luckily, actually, it's kind of 25 degrees today. It warmed up a little bit. It's pretty chilly last night, but you guys can see they actually kind of plowed the road here. But if I have to get over for anybody, that's not happening. You guys can see the traction control kicking on because there's not shit for traction here. All right. So we're out on the main road now. The car is so loud. Oh my goodness. It's crazy how loud it really is when, you know, when I'm not in it for a while and then I get back into it. It's freaking crazy how loud it gets. It's not even, I guess it's really not even that it's loud. It's just like really drony. I always wanted to maybe change that, but plus when it's cold, everything's a lot more firm and vibrates, and there's a lot of vibration in the car too. And you guys are hearing this freaking monster can making most of the noise. But yeah, guys, so that's why I haven't posted in a while. I mean, there's not really, you know, there's not much to do when there's freaking a foot of snow on the ground. So we just left the post office, guys, got that stuff all shipped out, and I think that is going to wrap up today's video. Just kind of want to touch base with you guys. I know it's been a while since I've posted. Look at this Mustang we got in front of us here. It's got a sunroof. I didn't think that this is a pretty custom Mustang that I don't think they come, those definitely don't come with sunroofs. And I know the older S197s, or I guess the newer S197s, they've got the glass roofs, but he's got a sunroof on his. Looks pretty good. He just had to merge in front of me, but yeah, I like how it looks. But anyways, guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you want to see more and you want to support the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you haven't already, go get yourself some merchandise. The best way to order that is if you just go ahead and DM me on Instagram, or if you want to shoot me an email, it is at stangsauce@gmail.com. Go ahead and just give me an email there, and yeah, get yourself some merchandise. 25 bucks. We take pretty much any form of payment besides Cash App. So if you guys are looking to get some merchandise, go ahead and pick that up. If you guys really like the video, make sure you smash it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, guys. As always, peace out.